The forest was calm, full of life and love. In its heart, a mother deer and her baby fawn lived peacefully. They ran through wildflowers, drank from clear brooks, and slept under the stars, their bond deep, silent, and pure. But one day, the skies thundered. A helicopter landed in the forest, scattering birds and shaking trees. A giant hunter stepped out, his eyes cold and cruel. In a flash, he snatched the baby deer and rose back into the sky. The mother ran, calling out in agony, but the wind silenced her cries. She collapsed, broken. Her eyes searched the empty sky. The forest grew still. Then animals gathered. The elephant, lion, monkey, rabbit, all stood by her side. They felt her pain. Together, they made a vow. They would bring her child home. Far away, atop a cliff, stood a mighty falcon, 10 times larger than normal. Proud, powerful, and silent. Without hesitation, he soared into the sky. He flew over rivers and cities until he reached the zoo. Behind bars, the baby deer shivered. Crowds laughed, unaware of the sadness inside. But then, with the force of a storm, the falcon struck. He shattered the cage, lifted the baby gently, and vanished into the sky. Back in the forest, the mother felt hope. She looked up and saw him, the falcon, her baby, coming home. Tears returned, but this time, they were tears of joy. The forest roared with celebration. And from that day, one truth echoed through the trees. When a mother cries, the whole forest rises. If this story touched your heart, like the video, comment your favorite part, and don't forget to subscribe for more.